Upgrade new home construction by installing interconnected smart smoke and carbon monoxide detectors that send mobile alerts. When planning smart smoke and carbon monoxide upgrades, run a dedicated 20-volt circuit or ensure consistently available power to any hardwired units and include battery backup for each device. Use devices that support true interconnectivity over both wired signaling and low latency wireless, so alarms propagate instantly across the whole property and trigger push notifications to mobile devices. Place detectors per code with at least one in every sleeping area, one outside each separate bedroom group, and one on every level including basements and finished attics. And mount smoke alarms on ceilings or high on walls at least 4 inches away from corners for reliable sensing. For carbon monoxide position detectors at knee-to-chest height in sleeping areas and near attached garages, and avoid placing them too close to fuel-burning appliances to prevent nuisance alarms. Integrate devices into the home network with a secure Wi-Fi setup using a strong, unique password and segmented guest network for Internet of Things devices to reduce exposure of primary devices. Establish a routine testing schedule by using each device's test button monthly. Verify remote notifications by performing a controlled test alert and confirming your phone receives it, and replace units according to manufacturer lifespan, which is commonly 10 years for smoke sensors and 7 to 10 years for carbon monoxide sensors. Common mistakes include failing to interconnect all detectors, which can leave occupants unaware of remote events. So, ensure every unit is linked either by wiring or by a supported wireless protocol, and verify end-to-end signaling during commissioning. Another mistake is improper placement, which causes dead zones or frequent false alarms. Follow code placement guidelines I just outlined and move units away from drafty windows, bathrooms, and cooking areas to reduce nuisance triggers. People also neglect ongoing maintenance and battery replacement, which degrades protection over time. Set calendar reminders to test monthly, replace batteries yearly if not using long-life sealed batteries, and swap devices when they reach their rated lifespan. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners plan upgrades by connecting us with local contractors who perform smart smoke and carbon monoxide installations and network integrations. We also help contractors find work through our listings and foster a discussion community where we share installation tips, product experiences, and troubleshooting advice.